Okay, so now in this video I'm gonna create a thumbnail for a YouTube video in Canva. Means by using Canva I'm gonna create a thumbnail. So these are the thumbnails. So I just went to the home and searched YouTube thumbnail. Then these are the ready-made template already available in the Canva. So I have selected a template from here. So this is the template. So I'm going to use this template along with I want a logo for Canva, because this is the the main purpose that by using Canva, because the video name is how to create an Instagram post using Canva. So I'm gonna need Instagram logo and Canva logo. Yeah, I got it. Save images. Cool. So now let's get the name of the video. Okay, how to create star post. I know these videos are already there, but because I'm creating something, that's why I thought let's record it and upload it. If you want to watch it, that's fine. If you don't want to watch it, that is also fine for me. Instead of this image of this Mothra, I'm gonna use an element, circular element like this. I'll change the color to white and I'll create one more. I'll change the color to a little bit of darker shade. I'll send this one backward. Okay, and now I'm gonna put this Canva logo here. Cool. As I have added Instagram post, so I'll use Instagram logo also. I'm gonna put a question mark as well. Here, set question mark, bold, and letter should be white, and gonna put this one here, increase the font like this, and I think I should change the color to yellow. Now it's yellow or something different. Green or this color. It's not. I think this color will be fine, right? Yeah, and I'll increase a little bit. Oh, super. This one, I'll just increase the letter spacing. Okay. So yeah, in this video you'll see like how to. Let's example. I want to increase the space between the letters. This is how it happens, and line. This is how it happens. I think now you know. बाद में मत बोलना कि मैंने नहीं बताया, मैंने सब बताता हूँ. Then I'll remove this one. Now that's cool, right? Come on. Cool. That's it. Thank you.